This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to convert a Google Doc into an RTF, a rich text format file. So right here in Google Docs, just got some dummy text I found online and an image right here for the purposes of this video. What you would do if you want that RTF file, rich text format, come up to the very top where it says file. You will now come down to download, hover over download for just a second. This opens all of these options here. So these are all the different download, all the different export formats we can do, all the usual ones like Microsoft Word, PDF document, plain text. But the one that we want for this video is the rich text format, the RTF. We will click on that one. And just like that, you'll see the icon fly up here. I'm on a Mac. That's the universal symbol that something has been downloaded. So that's downloaded and exported the RTF file. That will go to your downloads location as set by your browser. You will find the file there. That is how you download or export or convert a Google Docs file project into a RTF format file. So hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.